Hey there, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will take care of the problem number 6 of Project Euler, which is sum square difference. Let's first read the problem. The sum of the squares of the first 10 natural numbers is 385. The square of the sum of the first 10 natural numbers is 3025. Hence, the difference between the two is 2640. Find the difference between the sum of the squares of the first 100 natural numbers and the square of the sum. So we first need to have all of the natural numbers from 1 to 100 have their square and then add them together. Then we need to add all of the natural numbers from 1 to 100 together, then find the find the square of them, and then find the difference. So I would say sum square would be sum of n in power of 2 for n in range of 1 to 100. This is exclusive, so we need to go to 101. Then we say a square of the sum is sum of n for n in the same range in power of 2, and our answer is a square sum minus sum square, and if we print this we get our answer. This is the correct answer. You can go and test for yourself. I already tested it. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and have a good one.